Hello, tech lovers. Today's topic we'll be talking about 7 ways to make money on Instagram. Instagram has become a very unique place where people go to make money, extra income, and you can even use it as your full-time job. Is this what you want? Why not stay tuned and watch this video to the end? Are you thinking, who is this lady? My name is Tech with Bumi. On this channel, we talk about digital marketing, social media marketing, business tips online. So stay tuned. Without any further ado, number one way you can make money on Instagram is by selling services. How do you sell services on Instagram? You choose a niche, a niche that you have passion for. You give values to your audience, and you have to be truthful with your values that you post on Instagram, and you use proper hashtags to back it up. Then you sell to your audience. You sell any of your services to your audience. You can. Number two ways you can make money on Instagram is through selling of products. As we all know, selling of products are not easy because you have to have ways to be able to deliver, like shipping, storing of the merchandise, and etc. So if you want to sell your products on Instagram, you have to have passion for it, and you have to keep your audience with your integrity. Okay, you have to give them values, and you have to be truthful with what you're selling. You have to make them trust you as you sell your products. You have to make sure that you turn your followers into customers, okay, by selling your product. And how do you do that? Instagram has made so much life easy for content creators, especially business people and creators like influencers like that. To sell your products on Instagram provide their content creators shop. What do I mean by that? You can create a shop and put it on your profile so that anybody that checks your profile can buy directly, pay directly through your shop online on Instagram. And before you can do that, you have to have like a website. You have to have your product on an e-commerce website to be able to display your products on Instagram. That way you have no stress at all. You display your products on Instagram. You send you to be eligible for it. You follow the process on your settings on your Instagram, and Instagram is going to send you a message if you are eligible for it or not. So if you're eligible for it, then you are good to start making money. If you want me to talk about how to create a shop on Instagram, you can put it in the comment below. I can do a short tutorial. Number three ways to make money on Instagram, which is the main thing where the money is, right, is through brand deals. I'm not going to talk much about brand deals here because I have loads of videos on it. So I'm going to put the video here. I'll put the video here so you watch it. How to write emails to brand deals, how to talk to them so that they can pitch you, so that you can pitch to them. Okay, and out and there's another one here which I'm going to put here too, is different network to join to quickly get brands, how to get brands on Instagram. It can be on YouTube, it can be on TikTok, any social media that you want. You can use the method that I put in the video, and I wish you all good luck. Brand deals, you make cool money from it also. Number 4 ways to make money on Instagram is selling your knowledge. What do I mean by selling your knowledge? Your knowledge. You can sell your knowledge to make cool money. Is by you can create values for your audience, and you can also decide to write an ebook, create a workshop for them for a valuable topic you feel is useful for your audience, and they pay you some token. So if you want to learn how to write an ebook, I have a video on it also. I'm going to put it here, so watch the video and you see the secret of how to write an ebook. You can make cool money writing an ebook, and you can, after writing the ebook, you can put it on Amazon, and you sleep and you start getting cash inside your account, money, ego inside your account, and you say no to, you will never be broke again. Okay, you say no to being broke. So is that what you want to look into? So check it out. So this takes me to number 5. I put this as number 5 because it's very, very interesting. Instagram is competing with YouTube. You know, when you're monetized on YouTube, you can super chat on live stream on YouTube, okay? And even if you do premiere, you can super chat the host, the host on YouTube. Guess what Instagram did? Instagram also brought in what we call Instagram badge. What is Instagram badge? If you go live on IG, that's IGTV live, Instagram TV, okay? If you go live on Instagram, your audience can support you with a token from 99 cents to $5 upward. Okay, your audience can support you the way YouTube is also doing. You know, YouTube also does that, but YouTube is super chat. This one is like a love sign or something like that. But so sad, it's not yet in Canada. We have just few places that it's in. We have it in the US. US people are enjoying. I think I need to move to the US. I'm just joking. US people, US have it. Mexico, France, Germany. Okay, those are the few countries that have it right now. So I hope and I pray that before the end of the year, they will bring it to Canada. At least it will be working in Canada. So they're still testing it in all these countries, and all those people in the countries that are already making cool money. Okay, if I'm going to search some videos IG, if I find an example, I'm going to put it here for you. I'm going to put it here so you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So if you are shy, then you don't want to make money, I beg, put shyness to one side and let's make this cool money. Number 6 ways to make money on Instagram is by putting ads. If you don't know, Instagram, you can put ads on your IGTV on Instagram. Okay, so our number 6 tip is by putting ads on your Instagram, on your Instagram TV, that's IGTV. And there's a process for it. So again, it's not yet in Canada. When I'm doing this video, when I'm going to post this video, when I'm filming this video, IG ads is not yet in Canada, but it's still, all these countries I mentioned previously, they are enjoying it. Okay, so you can put ads on your IGTV. So anyone that runs, a lot of people go to YouTube, they're trying to copy YouTube, they're trying to compete with YouTube. So anyone that watches any videos on IG, you will start getting ads on it. And anyone that watches the ads, there's a way you do this, that you go, everything is still under your setting. Okay, when it's in Canada and I have the capacity, I have it on my, it's not showing on my dashboard yet. So when it's showing on my dashboard, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you would do is, there's a way you would put the ad on your IGTV, just as the way it is done on YouTube. Okay, and if anyone watches your videos on IGTV, you get some little token from it, and the money goes to your account back office on IGTV. So there's a way that you will link it to either your PayPal account or your bank account. So when your money gets to a threshold of $100, that's when you can withdraw the money. And that's this example, this amount also connotes to IG live batch that I number 4 or so that I said previously. So if your money reaches $100, then you can withdraw your money from $100 upward on Instagram. Isn't that interesting? So please, if you are not using your Instagram, or if you close the Instagram, go and open your Instagram and change. Don't put it on personal use. Okay, change to business or creators account. Okay, don't forget that. Those are the people that are enjoying. This brings me to my last tips, which is the 7th one. Though this one, I could have attached it to the number 1. I could have attached it to my number 1 point, which is services, but I decided to put this coaching as the last one, because coaching too is a topic on its own. Okay, so if you are good in coaching people, giving people one-on-one coaching, giving people lecturing valuable content, okay, and you know that you are good at what you're doing, okay, this is another way to make money. You can just create like a booking calendar, okay, and you just tell them, you attach the booking calendar, you put it on your Instagram. You can use Linktree, okay, you can put the link on your bio. Then anybody that wants to have a one-on-one coach with you, the person can pay. You can either do it as a paid 30 minutes section, and if the person wants 1 hour, you can tell the person to you put a price quote on it. Okay, it's another way to make money. So if you are interested in coaching people on how to make money one-on-one, like a master class per se like that, then you can also make money from coaching. So this has this is the end of this video. I hope you gained something from it. So let's chat in the comment below. Among these 7 ways that I've listed, which of it are you going to use? Which of it have you seen on Instagram that you believe you want to do? So don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. So see you in my next video. I welcome you to our website, Zibet's Media Solution. Contact us is a social media agency. Contact us for any of your social media services. We are here to help you out, and don't forget to drop your email contact for our email list to get our daily blogging so you get more knowledge on digital marketing. Thank you.